Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. My first question is, do you wear a watch?
Well, yes, I wear a watch on daily routine, but nowadays the watch lost is its needs. Like everyone have the cell phone, they use to watch the time on the
Listen,
cell
the
phone.
first thing is, question is personal. Do you wear a watch? So don't tell me about people.
Okay.
Right? For example,
Well,
yes, I
yes,
used
I
to wear a
used to wear
watch.
a
Yeah, answer
watch.
again. Do you wear a watch?
Yes, I used to wear a watch. I have a different type of watches, like my friends gift me, and one is very beautiful, which I have wear on my daily routine, and I used to wear it daily on,
I
especially on the
Okay,
functions.
I used to wear it is not right. I usually wear it.
Usually wear it on the functions because it's little bit fancy. Yes, I would like to wear watches.
All right, so just try to connect your ideas, and as you speak on, there are some grammatical errors. Try to overcome those. I'll tell you more about that. Have you ever got a watch as a gift?
Yes, I got a gift from my friend. She gave me a watch on my birthday. That is very beautiful and pink in color. And because she knows the pink is my favorite color, that is why she gifted me in pink color watch. And I wear it on daily routine, and I like it very much.
All right, that's good. Let's go on. Why do some people wear expensive watches?
Uh, yes, some people wear expensive watches because they show they have lot of money to spend to purchase the watches. That is why they show their status that they have lot of money to buy these type of watches. The answer to your question is that the people show their money. That is why they wear the expensive watches.
Okay, do you think it is important to wear a watch?
Well, yes, it is very important to wear a watch because the watch tell us the time, what's going on. That is why we know what is the time and what are the tasks that we are going to done on the time. And the watches definitely told us the time, and
Tells
it
us.
is tells us the time. That is very important for us.
All right. So I advise you to focus those 5 tenses, and whenever the question is asked, see question is in the present tense. In present, we don't use used to.
Okay.
Used to is used in the past tense.
tense.
Okay. In present, you say I usually wear a watch. In the past, you can say I used to wear
To
a
wear a
watch.
watch,
Okay,
yes.
like that. Now let's go on. Do you prefer to eat at home or outside in the restaurant?
Well, both. I prefer both. Mostly we should eat at home. I should eat at home, but on and off we should go outside.
Look, my question is not in the suggestion tone. For example, we should eat. Now you're advising. So it's not about advice. The question is, do you prefer to eat at home or outside? I love to, or I prefer to eat at home mainly,
because-
but sometimes once a week or twice a week, I go like that. Okay, so do you prefer to eat at home or outside?
Okay, I prefer to eat at home, but on and off or twice, once in a week or once in a month we should, or twice a month we should go.
Not wish. I go outside. Yeah, I'll not throw it. Okay.
Okay.
मुझे नजर नहीं आएगा. All right. Got it? Okay, now
okay,
let's go
okay,
on.
go on.
What's your favorite food?
I like Turkish food. Nowadays, Nisa Sultan is a Turkish restaurant in my hometown. I like the food of Nisa Sultan.
All right. Do you prefer to cook at home or you prefer to eat from outside?
I prefer to cook at home because of hygiene. It's more hygienic than outside. So, but I should go home out. But I should go outside too, to change the taste from the daily routine. Or that's why.
All right. Do you think restaurant food is often expensive?
Yes, yes, it is expensive. So
I would
You should answer. Do you think restaurant food is often expensive? Yes, sometimes it is
some
very expensive. If the restaurant is international restaurant, there is a chain of international restaurants, then the food is quite expensive. On the other hand, there are some restaurants where the food is economical. So it depends on the restaurant. Full answer, okay? 5, 6 sentences and that's it. And speak confidently and don't worry about anything. If you don't know the answer, tell them bluntly you don't know the answer, right? Okay, thank you.
Thank you.